central Wisconsin. Severe thunderstorm watch number 375 remains in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Wisconsin, Columbia, and Sauk. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and